Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to make a quick video about organizing and redecorating my mom's guest bathroom. So this is the before. It really wasn't bad at all, it was just a little dark. And it was actually my bathroom growing up, and it's been such a while since it's gotten any type of love or appreciation. It's fall, so my mom and I both agreed this was a perfect time to decorate a bit. We wanted the bathroom to feel bigger and brighter, so we went with this awesome white curtain from TJ Maxx. We also found this nice floral towel which I felt would add a good pop of color. Now I'm usually not too much of a fan for patterns, but this one we both agreed on and really liked. My mom and I also really liked this sign, so we threw it in the cart and we got it. And we couldn't beat the price, it was only $3.99, so it wasn't too bad. We also got this little guy. I love plants, especially in the bathroom, even though it's fake, but that's our secret. We also had to get our shower curtain hangers, and we finished off the look with white towels and white rugs from Walmart. Alright guys, let's get started.
Silent nights recall